welcome back to the channel, back on the H2. Today I'm going to be filming a very interesting video that's highly requested. It's a little scary too. And it's going to be a launch control on the Ninja H2. I've never tried it before. It's a pretty intense bike, it's pretty aggressive, so we'll see how that's going to go. It's also exciting, and if you guys haven't noticed, I finally bought me a new pair of gauntlets. I've been using my kind of like short summer gloves, which I am not a fan of. I like gauntlets a lot, and mine got destroyed in the crash, so bought me a new pair of the Dainese Druid 3s. Really nice gloves. You gotta kind of break in the gloves before you kind of feel comfortable in them. They feel very stiff, and I'm like very choppy with the throttle and also like my clutch, because they're very like stiff, and I'm just like, it's all muscle memory when you ride for a long period of time, and when something kind of interferes or when something new is in play, your body's kind of like, oh, what's going on, what's happening? But yeah, this is going to be the topic of the video, and I'm super excited to try it, but also a little nervous. It's a lot of bike, the bike is not stretched, and you know, we wouldn't want to loop the H2, but we'll see how it's going to go. Before we get to the topic of this video, I am happy to announce that this is the first sponsor ever on the channel. The company is called Cannadips. It's a CBD company. My sleep schedule has always been messy my entire life. I tried their products and it actually helped me fall asleep faster. So let me tell you a little bit about their company. A dip company for CBD, which is a very new thing that no one has done before. And the reason why they did that is because your body absorbs it faster instead of like gummies or like the vape forms. And I've tried both of those. I've tried gummies, I've tried the vape CBD products before, and honestly neither helped me at all. It's a healthier alternative to like all the tobacco and nicotine dip, because this product doesn't have either of those, and it's also spit free. And the best part about this product is the flavors. They have really great flavors. My number one flavor is definitely going to be the citrus, and the number two favorite flavor is mango. I like fruits, and their fruit flavors are really amazing. You guys should definitely try it out. Get 20% off your order. So yeah, let's get on with the rest of the video. Launch control mode. So you press the upper arrow and hold mode. My traction control on -1, which is, it's not completely off, but it's like the minimum amount of interference. And currently we are in Kawasaki launch control mode #1, which should be the most aggressive. Pop it into first gear. Okay, this is not really scary at all. Up in mode. Launch control mode activated. Okay. I should definitely release the clutch a little bit faster, so let's try this one more time. I know you guys are gonna roast me in the comments, but this is my first time trying launch control, so give me a break, guys, okay? Okay, yeah, I can definitely just like release and dump the clutch. The third and last try. It's kind of fun. Got my heart bumping a little faster. It's definitely not as scary as I expected. Honestly, I feel like launching without launch control is definitely a little more scary, because your hand is on the throttle and this throttle is like super sensitive. God damn, boy, he mobbing. It definitely wasn't that bad. It's nerve-wracking to see an H2 with like 300 horsepower at 6,000 RPM without it being stretched and just dump the clutch. It just doesn't feel natural, you know what I mean? Whoa. So in this last time, I definitely released the clutch a little bit faster, and the bike definitely had like that little jump that I was kind of worried about. I was still controlling the clutch, so it wasn't anything too aggressive, but as I told you guys, it did do a little kind of like jump. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm willing to try this again. It's actually kind of fun and it's kind of cool hearing the bike go. So I'm down to try this again. If I'm supposed to, like, there's no way I'm supposed to just completely dump the clutch, because I don't know, that just doesn't seem right to me, even though that would make more sense. That's kind of the point of launch control, right? So I don't know, this is my first attempt ever at doing launch control on a bike, period. So yeah, it wasn't bad at all. I don't know if I did it the right way, where I'm just like releasing the clutch slowly as I'm like holding that launch control RPM, then I guess that's pretty easy to do. And it would make sense, because like it helps you kind of like hold enough like RPM / power where the wheel is not just going to completely like flip you off, versus if you like give it gas. Yeah, actually that does make sense, because you wouldn't have to worry about like the throttle, because of how sensitive the throttle is. So all you have to worry about with launch control is like releasing the clutch. So I think I did it the right way. If not, then please correct me in the comments. That was a lot of fun. I was a little stressed, I was a little nervous, you know. I already crashed a really expensive bike not too long ago. I did not want to ruin my favorite bike. And you know, people are notorious for flipping their H2s because it's super easy to loop this bike. But that did not happen today, even with my new gloves that I need to break in like ASAP, because I feel like I'm a noob rider now. Alright, I guess this is it for today's video. I hope it was long enough, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a highly requested video. Everyone wanted me to do launch control, and I've really wanted to try it myself as well, but like, I don't know, I never felt the need to, and I also like kind of was a little worried, because I don't really understand how launch control on a bike works. So I was a little nervous for sure, but got it done, and it was a lot of fun. I'll definitely try it again. Maybe like some drag racing. I'm debating if I should take the H2 drag racing. I'm pretty sure that's gonna destroy my clutch, but that would be a pretty good video, right? If I can find like a quarter mile. Probably I need a half a mile for that. Definitely one day I'm gonna be taking this H2 to like a half a mile event. Bro, these gloves mixed in with the heavy clutch springs is causing my left arm to cramp. Well, anyways guys, I'm gonna go on a chill ride, and I'm gonna end this video today. Thank you all so much for watching. Really appreciate your support. This is technically the first video I filmed ever since I hit 100K, because the previous video I posted I already had filmed previously. I just had to upload them. So yeah, beyond grateful for 100K. Like, it honestly feels unreal. Like, my brain really can't comprehend it. That's a very big number. That's a lot of people. And I've been making videos for a long time now, actually, if you guys don't know. If you scroll back to see my first riding video, I think it was like 2 years ago or a little more. So it's been a long time, but in the past few months the growth on the channel has been crazy. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. I'm trying to do like a wide variety of content for you guys. I'm gonna do like some meets, vlogs, racing every once in a while, track days coming up soon. So I'm trying to do like all types of motovlogging because I enjoy riding and I want you guys to enjoy the content as well. But yeah, thank you guys. I'm pretty much just high on adrenaline from doing the launch control on the H2. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, ride safe.